Hi, in this video I will show you how to open PDF in LG Smart TV. So LG and Android have different operating systems, so it doesn't have Play Store in his. So what we can do is we can head over to our actual TV and click onto this apps right here and it should be able to open your LG content store. So this is what it looks like. Now what we can do is we can just click onto the search bar and then search in here for PDF. And then from in there, you should be able to see some search results depending on to this one. So do take note that it also vary depending on your country and language for your actual app to actually appear. So we have in here some Asia Pacific as well as some American options right here. So just choosing here which one is actually your region and you should be able to see this PDF viewer like Adobe Acrobat and have it installed into your LG right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.